know there are others that we're going to pass this bill now. And I know there's some people that want to speak on this, but release this bill now. Thank you. Now, I want to make sure that we're moving the right thing. Now, we're calling for a motion on the committee substitute and to amend the Senate bill, correct? So I need a motion to, as one motion, let's move together. Economy is something that's much needed here. So I need a motion on two motions made by one person and then the second mover to move the committee substitute for Assembly A804 and to move and amend S119. We have Ms. Quigley first, and Ms. Wagner secondly. Mr. Price, call the roll.
On the motion to report the proposed committee substitute for A804 and to report Senate Bill 119-1R with committee amendments which will conform with the committee substitute. Assemblyman Palestina?
Abstain.
Assemblywoman Munoz?
Abstain.
Assemblywoman Angelini?
No.
Assemblywoman Stender?
Yes.
Assemblywoman Quigley?
Yes.
Assemblywoman Love?
Yes.
Assemblywoman Greenstone?
Yes.
Assemblyman Green?
Yes.
Yeah.
Assemblyman Chiapone?
Yes.
Assemblywoman Wagner?
Yes.
Assemblyman Conaway?
Yes.
Bills are reported.
Thank you, committee. This bill has been, as you know, the process around this bill has been long.
We could sit and argue from both sides, and I could sit and say, okay, the FDA hasn't done studies documented. Part of the problem